How to get Marketplace back on iPhone or Android. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get Facebook Marketplace back. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy drop down and then tap on the settings page. Now, under the preference tab, tap on the tab bar option you see there and further tap on the customize the bar option. As you can see, the marketplace is under the hidden tab, so marketplace will not be visible in your toolbar. So tap on the hidden drop down and further tap on the pin option, and with this, as you can see, the marketplace icon is now available in your toolbar. So this is how you can get Facebook Marketplace back. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.